Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you that how can you set up a team on your Trello. So let's get started. First of all, open Google, type trello.com and open up your Trello workspace. After opening your Trello workspace, you'll see an interface like this. Just tap on the dotted square in the left of your screen. In workspace view, you'll find your board in the end. Tap on your board. Now the next step is you just have to write to-do list. What do you want to do? And then tap on add card, doings, and then tap on again add card, and then write done, and then tap on add card again. And that is how you can make another list in your Trello workspace. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope you like the video. And if you do, like, share and subscribe to our channel. I hope this video will help you in any way. By following these steps, you can create a team or set up a team on Trello.